You'll notice as we're going through, a lot of the yellow that you're seeing right now, like this right here, this is going to be sugar maple. You got a lot of sugar maple in here, and obviously they do some of the stuff in making the maple syrup here and stuff. But another one of the yellows that you're going to see is tulip poplar, and so we'll kind of point out some of the different ones along the way. But I'd like to get us going. I have a tendency to ramble, so if I ramble too much, we won't get any. Let's see. I think they said they're supposed to be about 30 minutes. So. One of the things I was going to bring up real quick, in case you don't know anything about why trees turn colors in the fall, the initial reason is it's a response that they have to the length of daylight. And it doesn't really have anything to do with anything else but that. Trees, when they reach a certain amount of daylight in a day, and it's actually the amount of darkness, they start dividing cells where the leaf connects to the twig. And those cells block food that produces the chlorophyll, which makes the leaf green. And so when those chlorophyll cells die, which they have to be replaced on a regular basis, as they die, the other chemicals that are in the leaf show up. And there's basically three chemicals. One makes them yellow, one makes the oranges, and one makes reds. Not all trees have the chemical that makes the red colors, but most of trees make the chemicals that have the yellow and the orange colors in it. So, for instance, this small tree right here, this is a fairly common tree, an understory tree in Indiana. This is a pawpaw. They call it the Indiana banana. It makes kind of a large fruit that's edible, and they actually taste pretty good. I kind of think they taste a little bit like mango, but the way they describe them is custard. So, and you'll notice them, they've got the large leaves, they turn yellow, and they're pretty much throughout this whole entire place in the understory. So, I have a tendency to walk really fast too, so if I get too crazy, let me know.
No, you're fine.
All right. There's a couple of neat trees here that I really like. I'm going to sit down for a minute here. All right. This tree right here, this is a eastern white oak. Okay, it's a long-lived, slow-growing species. It's one of the most widespread, widely distributed of the oak species in the eastern United States. It grows in a variety